Welcome to the Trojan Cortisol Assessment and Laboratory Measurement Project. This animation will serve to provide some supplemental information about the research process moving forward from recruiting. To begin, thank you so much for participating in this study. Your participation will help contribute to our understanding of perceived and physiological stress. You are watching this video because you are above 18 years of age, affiliated with USC, present none of the conditions that prevent you from participating in this study, and last, underwent the recruitment process. During the recruitment process, you received a kit of test tubes that you will be providing to us for salivary cortisol analysis. Well, you might be wondering, what now? If you are located on the University Park campus, you will be delivering these test tubes to one of two locations. These locations are the USC Village Fitness Center and the Lions Center. It is important to note that some locations may have fluctuating hours of operation, so please make sure to double check those before you submit your cortisol test. If you are situated at the Health Sciences campus, you will be delivering these test tubes to the one and only headquarters of the USC Mann School of Pharmacy. That is, the Stauffer Pharmaceutical Sciences Center, otherwise known as PSC. During the recruitment process, you should have received a kit containing various small bags. On these bags, you will write both your private identification code and the date at which you spit in the tube. If you do not have access to a marker, you can also write the code and the date on a strip of paper with another writing utensil, and then insert that strip into the bag. At the Dropbox location, you will enter and see a box with the Trojan logo. This is your Dropbox. Insert your test tube that is inside the plastic bag into the Dropbox. Now that you have submitted your saliva sample, you will complete the short weekly stress survey that you can find on the Trojan Calm website. Here, we will display how you can navigate to the survey. The survey should take at most 5 minutes to complete. Please remember to keep note of your private identification code for this survey, as we cannot correlate your cortisol levels and your reported stress without your code. We ask that you submit at least one test tube and one weekly survey response a week. This way, both the researchers and you as the participant can monitor your weekly stress levels. You might be wondering what many are thinking. How will I access my cortisol levels and survey responses? Let's take a step back and return to the interface of our website. You will click on the Participant Information tab and then click on the Participant Cortisol Results. This page shows all of the cortisol levels of the participants that have filled out the weekly stress survey and entered their private identification code, thus being anonymized. If you click on this icon, then you will see some basic demographic information and activities that were reported on the weekly stress survey. If you click on this icon, you will access the cortisol levels. To find your specific level, click on the search bar and search for your specific private identification code that was assigned to you. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Although we hope that this cleared some instructions and protocols of our research project, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Trojan Calm email, check out our Instagram, or visit the FAQ found on our website. There is also an inquiry form found on the Contact tab of our website if you happen to have any lingering questions. And, as always, feel free to revisit this video if you ever feel lost throughout your participation.